Hey, I thought I'd do a video on this lock that I've just replaced. So basically it's a gate, but you can put your hand through there and you could open it. I'm on the inside now. So this particular lock is keyed from both sides and the key retracts the latch. So once the door is actually closed, it's always locked. So to get through the gate, you have to use the key. And if you put your hand through and you try and turn it, it won't turn because the key retracts the latch. So I just thought I'd do a quick video on this. This is just a gate lock, but the good thing about it is it's all stainless. Well, majority of it's stainless. These hold up really well to the weather, and they're commercial grade knob sets. So this knob set could be used on, foyer doors or whatever you want, or a side gate, and this will literally last for a long time. You can see the fence is a bit loose, but that's it. I just thought I'd do that video. So if you need one of these locks, 0413 120 444. Thanks for watching. There we have it.